The Bigg Boss house is already divided between VIP and non-VIP contestants since the entry of wildcard contestants. In today's episode, during the nomination task, non-VIP contestants try to save themselves by shifting the blame to each other. The wildcard contestants include Devolina Bhattacharjee, Rashmi Desai and Rakhi Sawant. Now the VIP have the power to save the non-VIP contestants from nominations. So each one of them comes forward to put their point. Prateek Sehajpal blames Shamita Shetty and calls her biased. On the other hand, Tejasvi Prakash also targets Prateek as she says Prateek is doing everything to be in VIP's good books. Nishant Bhatt and Rajiv Adadhya come face to face and Nishant says Rajiv gets involved in others' issues and never focuses on his own. Rajiv replies, he even ditched Shamita and Nishant says, yes, I will change color as a chameleon. Prateek again blames Shamita that even if she is doing wrong and somebody is not standing with her, that particular person becomes wrong for Shamita. Later, Shamita asks Prateek, what are you saying, Prateek? And Devolina says, Prateek is more honest than you, Shamita. Shamita calls Devolina an unfair Sanchalak. Prateek also blames Karan Kundra and says he goes physical during the fights, but Rashmi contradicts and says that you both have gone physical, and on this, Prateek argues with her that why she is ignoring this point. They get into heated argument with each other. This week's Weekend Cover episode was full of high voltage drama. Salman took the class of Karan Kundra and Umar Riaz for their behavior. In fact, Prateek Sehajpal asked the host about the limits and boundaries inside the house. He complained to him saying that he has been pushed around led to his clothes getting torn. Salman lashed out at Karan. Karan, sometimes you leave your senses and when you have no proper words, you just go physical. Should I enter the house? I dare you just do the same with me. He further says to everyone, I think in this season you all are brain dead. The Sunday episode of Weekend Cover was also full of high intense drama as Shamita and wildcard contestant Abhijit Bichukle indulged in ugly war of words and things got heated up. If sources are to be believed, Paras Chhabra and Vishal Kotian can also enter the Bigg Boss house as wildcard contestants, but nothing has been confirmed by the channel. Bigg Boss 15 airs on Colors.